Hi, how are you doing? In this lesson, we'll be learning how to create a rocket programmatically. So let us get straight into it. So first, let's add a hull. Translate and 50. So now let's add a spear radius. So let me go here to add a spear radius. Add rotate X. Let's make this center because you know the rotate X what we're creating. We're actually creating the middle part of the rocket. So let's create that. So now let's to combine this all together, we're gonna create a big union block. So let's add that union block now. Now let's add a color to this union. So now let's duplicate this, duplicate, and after that let's change this to 30, just like that. And let's keep the sphere radius to the same number because we're not going to change anything. We're just adding a duplicate on down to that. So now you can see we're done, and now let's click render over here. And it's loading. And now you can see we are done with everything. And now you can see this is how our rocket looks like. So this is the thing I was talking about. This is the 40 axis, this is the 30 axis,